Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into coding challenges. Today we are tackling one of the classic problems from LeetCode known as median of two sorted arrays. This problem tests your ability to manipulate arrays and understand how to effectively find the median value within them. I know this problem is quite hard, but let's get started. This problem statement goes like this. Given two sorted arrays, nums1 and nums2 of size m and n respectively, return the median of the entire array after merging both arrays. If the total number of elements is even, return the average of the two middle numbers. Otherwise, return the middle number itself. Now, let's see how to solve this problem effectively. We can see an example. We should do it in log m and n, log m plus n, which is the big array. We are given array nums1, nums2. So the median of these two are 2. The median of these two arrays are 2.5. Anyways, to solve this problem, we might be tempted to merge both arrays and then find the median. However, this approach would take O m plus n a time, which is not efficient. Instead, we'll use a binary search-based approach to find the median without actually merging the arrays. This method has a time complexity of O log min mn, making it much more efficient. So let's get started. Anyways, we merge those two. Then we sort it. Then we calculate the length. Then we check if the length is odd or even. If n, then if it's even, return the middle element. Return float. Else, if it's odd, return the average of the two middle elements. The average of them. So that was it. It's as easy as that. Let me explain what I have just done. First, we merge nums1 and nums2 into a new array nums3, and then we sort it. This gives us a single sorted array of all the elements that we need. We calculate the length of nums3. If the length is even, we return the middle element of nums3. Since the length is even, the middle index will be at n div 2. If the length is odd, we return the average of the two middle elements. These are indices n div 2 minus 1 and n div 2. In conclusion, that's how we solve the median of two sorted arrays problem using Python by understanding the problem statement, choosing the right approach, the right design, and implementing our solution carefully. We have managed to find an efficient way to compute the median of two sorted arrays. Let's submit it. As you can see, it's as efficient as it can get. It is at the middle. Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video.